Derek Shapiro for Joe's Auto and Muffler, conveniently located at 327 South Main Street, Swainsboro, Georgia, where they do general diagnostics, oil changes, and much more. And of course, they don't do towing and they don't do tires. Give them a call, Joe's Auto and Muffler, at 478-237-2265. Again, call Joe's Auto and Muffler now at 478-237-2265, where they've been in business for 43 years. Joe's Auto and Muffler, conveniently located at 327 South Main Street, Swainsboro, Georgia. Tell them that Derek Shapiro sent you.